Good morning. We're going to try and do a cold start on a 1946 Ford 2N. Alright, we're going to try it. Should pick up pretty decent. Seems how the muffler has a little bit of a crack in it. Manifold. So, let's see if I can set you down. How's that look? We're working here, peoples. We're working here. Oh, there you go. That should be out of the way. And we'll see if she'll start. Alright, she's a little bit of an interesting character. I'm learning just how to start it, so we'll see how well I do. I gotta admit, it started a lot easier than what I thought it would. That new fuel tank is working great. Alright, well, see y'all later. Bye.